7 of miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 7. So the question is, find the value of integration from 0 से pi by 2 cos square x upon cos square x plus 4 sin square x with respect to x. So let us assume this as I. So first we will try to convert all the terms in a term of cos square x. So we will write 0 से pi by 2 cos square x upon cos square x plus 4. We know sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. We know this because sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So we can write sin square x as 1 minus cos square x dx. Let's open the bracket. 0 से pi by 2 cos square x upon cos square x plus 4 minus 4 cos square x dx. So 0 से pi by 2 cos square x upon cos square x minus 4 cos square x minus का 3 cos square x and 4 as it is. So now we will try to split the numerator in two. So we have to produce 4 minus 3 cos square x in the above. So we will multiply by minus का 1 upon 3 in the denominator and so in the numerator dx. So it's minus का 1 upon 3 0 से pi by 2. To make 4 minus 3 cos square x again, it is minus का 3 cos square x. We will add 4 minus 3 cos square x upon 4 minus 3 cos square x minus 4 minus 4 0, so therefore it will come minus का 3 cos square x upon 4 minus 3 cos square x dx. These both are same, so it will come 1. That is why we have tried to make the numerator in 2. Minus का 1 upon 3 0 से pi by 2 1 dx minus 4 will come outside, minus minus plus का 4 upon 3 integration of 1 upon 4 minus 3 cos square x dx. So let us assume this vector as I1. Let us assume this vector as I1. So it is minus का 1 upon 3, 1 integration of 1 is x, limit from 0 से pi by 2 plus 4 upon 3 I1 is equals to minus का 1 upon 3, pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2, upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 2 minus 0 pi by 2 plus 4 upon 3 I1. So now we will find what is I1. Integration of 1 upon, definite integration it is 0 से pi by 2. So 0 से pi by 2 1 upon 4 minus 3 cos square x dx. So now we will try to make it the differentiation of denominator is numerator. So to do that we will multiply numerator and denominator by sec square x, or we can divide by cos square x, the same thing. Sec square x upon 4 sec square x minus 3. You will understand why we have to do this later. 0 से pi by 2 sec square x upon 4. This sec square x we can write 1 plus tan square x minus 3 dx. So this we can write 0 से pi by 2 sec square x upon, split the bracket, 4 plus 4 tan square x, 4 minus 3 1 plus 4 tan square x dx. So we can see the differentiation of tan x is sec square x, so we can assume tan x as t, so that sec square x can cancel out. Let tan x equals to t. This implies sec square x dx is equals to dt. So sec square x dx will whole become dt is equals to integration from 0 to pi. It will not become pi by 2 because we have assumed is tan x equals to t. So when x is equals to pi by 2, tan pi by 2 infinity, t is equals to infinity, and when x equals to 0, t tan 0 is 0. So we will write the limits from 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity, sec square x dx will be dt upon 1 plus 4 t square. Tan x is t, so 1 plus 4 t square. So it will become dt upon 1 plus 4t square. You understand till here? Okay. 0 equals to, let us take 4 outside because we know the formula of 1 upon x square plus a square. So we will make the form like this. 1 upon 4 I will take outside. From 0 to infinity limits, 1 upon dt upon, let us write this here, t square plus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 we can write as 1 upon 2 ka whole square. Now we know one formula, that integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx is equals to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. We know this formula, so we will apply it here. 1 upon 4, limit will become brackets, limit from 0 to infinity. 1 upon a here is 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2 tan inverse x upon a means t upon 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 4 into 2, it will come out of bracket, tan inverse 2t from 0 to infinity is equals to 1 upon 2, put infinity, tan inverse infinity, pi by 2 minus 0 is equals to pi by 4. Now we have one equation, this one, minus 1 upon 3 pi by 2 plus 4 upon 3 I1. Let us assume this as equation number 1. So we have got the value of I1, that is pi by 4, so we will put that there. Therefore, putting in 1, I equals to, we have assumed it as I, so I equals to minus ka 1 by 3 into pi by 2, which is minus ka pi by 6, minus ka pi by 6 plus 4 upon 3 I1. So plus ka 4 upon 3 into pi by 4, 4 cancel, is equals to minus ka pi by 6 plus ka pi by 3 is equals to pi by 6. Pi by 6 answer. So hope you understand this question. It was a long question, but we have to understand it. So thank you.